Hey guys, it's Doc, and shortest video ever. I don't know. I'm going to show you how to fix these spray bottles, especially the yellow ones. A lot of people have trouble with them clogging, so I'm going to show you how to fix it. So hold on one second. Hey guys, so I use both. I have links on the website to both the yellow bottle, the Hudson sprayer, and this green bottle sprayer. For some reason, I think the yellow bottles have a tendency to clog up a little more, and I think it has to do with the hole size in it, or just the way that the hole is made. So let me just show you a simple fix for this. There's a little hole inside here. Step number one, make sure you turn this to on. Make sure this is on. When you open on, the hole will open up completely. If you turn it off, it's going to be blocked, so you don't want to do this. Next, get a 3/32 drill bit. Go out and buy one if you don't have one. 3/32 drill bit. Now you can use a pair of vice grips, or you can use a drill. Now if you use a drill, you don't want to melt the plastic, so you don't want it on high. You just want it very slowly. But all I'm going to do is, I'm just going to go in this hole, and all I'm going to do is just sort of ream this a little bit. I'm just going to spin this until I see my drill bit come out. There. And so now, I don't know if you can see it, I got my drill bit in there coming out. Now, you don't want to put a drill in there and jiggle it around. That's why I said it's probably good just to do this by hand. All we're trying to do is we're just trying to open this up like 1/1000th of an inch more, just very, very small. But I don't know if it's the way that sometimes they assemble these or if they get out of alignment, but see, now it just spins on that drill bit easy and goes in and out. And that seems to be the perfect size. It seems to open up, and you'll notice a difference on them, trust me. Do it. Now you may have to adjust your walk rate. Remember, use your green dye so you can see how it's coming out, but that should do it for you. All right, so if you do want to use a drill, again, 3/32, here's your little thing. Just put it up in here. Very gently and slow. And just clean it out. Make sure that you don't have any hangovers, and you're done. So as an example, this spray unit I put up on the shelf because the spray rate was so low on it. So I went over and grabbed it real quick. So I'm going to turn it to on. So I'm going to turn it to on. And then I'm going to go up in here with this. And I can already tell it's biting pretty hard. So that hole needs to be opened up. And that's what I want right there. I just want it to the point that that drill bit, the 3/32, will go in and out of this thing real easy. So one thing I do recommend is go out and test the hole that you're doing. Make sure it's right before you do all your spray bottles, in case you end up ruining one of them. But just go out and test it, make sure you're happy with that spray rate. But typically what I find is that I don't know if it's something in the assembly of the way they do it or the way that it's formed, but you just need just that 3/32 is the drill bit that you need, 3/32. Now, just to let you know, I'm actually taking a break from shooting another video to do this video. I'm doing the final low scalp over on barbs, and I'm going to put that on film for you. I'm going to show you a little trick. If you have a riding lawnmower, I'm going to show you a way to put the grass right back on without a mulching setup. I am going to be doing a humic treatment, so I'll be doing the humic treatment pretty soon. And then I'm still being a horrible person, and I'm not spraying her yard yet. And let me tell you why I'm doing that. It's because I really want to give a true comparison difference between a super juice treated lawn and a non-super juice treated lawn. Now Barb's has the granular down, but it's not doing a whole lot. And my lawn is almost twice as green as Barb's. Has, new growth, lots of fine new growth, tall green, and hers is just coming out of emergence. Remember, yesterday I still had frost on the ground. It was 33 degrees in the morning. Now that should be our last cold day. So it'll be interesting. I really want to wait until my soil temperature, because my soil temperature is still at like 53, 54 degrees, but today is going to be hot. Tomorrow's going to be hot, and my lows are going to be in the 50s now. Highs in the 70s, lows in the 50s. So all of a sudden, this is that time where now all of a sudden Bermuda's going to start to come alive. It's been real sleepy for the past 4 weeks, and it's been really slow to come around. But now I should start to see it. My soil temperature should get close to 60. And when you get close to a 60-degree soil temperature and you get some of these sunny days, that's when the Bermuda starts to really blow up and really get active. So that's what I'm doing. So anyways, I'm just cutting in here. And so make sure you subscribe. If you're not subscribed, you're a loser. You're a loser if you're not a subscriber. But subscribe so you don't miss them, because I got 6 videos I'm working on right now put up. All kinds of stuff going on. So talk to you later. I gotta run.